Hello everyone! Have you come across a side panel that appears smoothly when you click on a button? The panel is literally moved off the screen by default and can be displayed when a button is triggered. These panels are known as off-canvas panels. In today's video, you'll learn how to create an off-canvas content panel that you can display by clicking on a button. Let me show you how easily you can add an off-canvas panel on your website. First of all, create a section. Now search for the off-canvas widget. Drag the widget to the section. From this panel, select the content source for the off-canvas panel. This widget allows you to use a sidebar content or a custom Elementor template. At this moment, I am using a sidebar content. Here you can select the sidebar content that you want to use. Choose a position for the off-canvas panel from here. If you want to customize the sidebar content, go to the dashboard and click on Widgets from the Appearance menu. Now customize the sidebar content as you wish. After making the necessary changes, let's check how the off-canvas panel looks like. In this panel, you can add the button text and icon. From the Style tab, you can customize all the necessary styles for this widget. So this is how you can create an off-canvas panel on your website. If you have any suggestions to improve this widget, please leave us a comment below. So that's it from me today. See you next time.